Hi everyone. Before we begin, please subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos from my RideshareDashCam. On this trip, I am picking up a passenger at the Disneyland Hotel in Southern California. I usually enter the rideshare lot through Walnut Street and Magic Way. Sometimes, I enter the rideshare lot through Disneyland Drive and Magic Way. On most of my trips to pick up passengers at the Disneyland Hotel, there were guards at the gate to screen entry into the hotel. When the guards are not present, I usually use the automated machine at the gate to obtain a parking, aka entry permit, to go into the rideshare lot. I really like to drive passengers to and from this hotel. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love the landscape, and I love everything surrounding the hotel. At the Disneyland Hotel, there were days which I am allowed to pick up rideshare passengers at the main entrance of the hotel. However, on other days, I was directed to pick up rideshare passenger from a designated rideshare pickup areas away from the hotel's main entrance. Well, I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to support the RideshareDashCam channel. Thank you.